place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all.
Hai teman-teman, kembali lagi di channel saya. Kali ini saya akan membahas Pantai Ngudel. Pantai Ngudel ini berlokasi di Malang Selatan. Untuk menuju ke pantai ini, saya mengambil rute dari Kota Malang, menuju ke Gadang, kemudian ke Bululawang, setelah itu memasuki area Gondang Legi. Lalu ambil ke arah Sumber Manjing, selanjutnya kita akan masuk di jalur lintas selatan Malang. Pantai ini tepatnya di Desa Sindurejo. Lokasinya bersebelahan dengan Pantai Ngantep atau Pantai Taman Ayu. Kalau mau nonton Pantai Taman Ayu Ngantep, saya sudah sajikan linknya di atas sebelah kanan. Pantai ini berbatasan langsung dengan Samudra Hindia, sehingga ombak yang ada di pantai ini cenderung tinggi. Tidak disarankan untuk berenang, mengingat ini pantai selatan. Ciri khas Pantai Ngudel ini berada di batu karangnya, bentuknya menyerupai busa dan berada di bibir pantai. Biasanya batu ini dijadikan spot untuk foto. Kalian di sini bisa melakukan aktivitas seperti halnya. Yang pertama, berkemah. Untuk berkemah di pantai ini lahannya sangat luas, jadi kalian bisa mendirikan tenda di pantai ini. Yang kedua, memancing. Untuk lokasi memancing ada spotnya juga. Letaknya itu di bukit tinggi. Sambil memancing kalian bisa menikmati sunset. Yang ketiga, main motor trek. Untuk main motor trek di pantai ini juga diperbolehkan. Yang keempat, bermain pasir pantai. Di pantai ini memiliki pasir yang putih. Jadi, kalian bisa bermain-main pasir di pantai ini. Untuk hal selanjutnya, kalian di sini tidak perlu cemas dengan fasilitasnya. Di sini juga ada fasilitas untuk warung kecil, gazebo, toilet, lahan parkir. Kalau kondisinya sepi ya kendaraan bisa dibawa masuk ke pantainya. Sekian dulu untuk video tentang Pantai Ngugel. Kalau kalian merasa mendapatkan informasi lebih, kalian dapat like video ini. Jangan lupa juga untuk subscribe dan bunyikan loncengnya. Kalau ada saran atau informasi tempat wisata yang menarik, kalian dapat isikan di kolom komentar. Oke, sampai jumpa teman-teman.